Hey friends, we all know that obesity is a direct risk factor for COVID 19 and is responsible for increased mortality and morbidity in COVID 19. But do you know that COVID 19 causes obesity? Yes, you heard me right. COVID 19 is the leading cause of obesity all across the age group owing to the sedentary lifestyle that we have all adapted to prevent being infected with COVID 19. We no longer see senior citizens practicing yoga and laughter clubs together, nor do we see bustling activity of children in the park, nor are the gyms flooded with youngsters practicing boot camps and dance together. Owing to the sedentary lifestyle, obesity is an increasing trend and is contributed to a very heavy society. So here are the steps to keep yourself away from obesity and to have a healthy lifestyle. I'm Dr. Chitra, physician from Sri Polyclinic, Bangalore. An average Indian living space is around 550 square feet, that is 117 square feet per person. A study in Times of India has informed that around 33% of Indian houses are very much lesser than that of space for prisoners in United States. So considering smaller living space and then overcrowding, practicing yoga and fitness activity at home has also been very difficult. So here are quick steps that you can follow to keep away from obesity. Step number 1, it is advisable to have a step tracker watch gifted to each and every member of your family. Once you have this watch with you, we can see the sudden increase in activity among children and senior citizens just because they want to have the highest number of steps in their watches. Step number 2, whenever you are on a call or you are reading a light book, it's always advisable that you take a walk. And on average, we spend around 30 minutes reading or an hour talking to somebody. And if you use this golden hour to walk, it keeps you very fit. People who are doing work from home, we do advise that of every 30 minutes of sitting, get up and just take a walk for just 1 single minute. And this keeps your joints and bones very, very healthy. Whenever we see stairs, it's always advisable to use the stairs and avoid lifts and overcrowding. It's always advisable to avoid snacks in between meals because we have a trend that people at home frequently snack. So in order to prevent the hunger pangs in between your meals, please have high fiber diet, which is full of green leafy fruits, vegetables, oatmeal, fig and pear, and also high protein diets. Once you have a high protein diet, we don't get hungry for 6 to 8 hours because protein takes a lot of time to digest and also gives a lesser calories. Sprouted grains are a very good option and egg white is an excellent option, or lean meat, to keep your hunger pangs at bay. Whenever possible, try to use open spaces for your exercises. For example, parks and your own terrace. It's also safe to go on roads early in the morning or late in the night when the crowding is less, so that you can continue to walk and have your general fitness activity without getting sick. Younger people can have your Zumba or yoga classes at home. You can just watch your YouTube videos and try to follow the steps by the leaders and try to stay healthy. A simple 10 by 10 room and a little bit of music is more than enough to keep you guys very, very healthy. Thanks for watching. If you want to hear more tips on COVID-19 awareness and health tips, please leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.